countries colonized and invaded the Philippines?
3.
Correct. What does the acronym KKK stand for in the Philippines? What does the acronym KKK stand for in the Philippines?
Kataas-taasan, kagalang-galang sa lipunan.
Correct.
Arnold is so bright. Wow.
What is the dominant religion in the country?
Catholic.
Correct. What does NCR mean?
National Capital Region.
Correct. When does the Philippines celebrate its Independence Day?
June 12.
Correct. Which country invaded the Philippines during World War II?
Which country? Spain.
Wrong.
Singapore.
Wrong.
Japan.
Correct.
You're so matalino, Arnold. Why?
On average, how many typhoons are expected to visit the Philippines every year?
18.
Wrong. On average, how many typhoons are expected to visit the Philippines every year?
2.
Wrong.
12.
20 typhoons.
1.
In the Philippine flag, what did the three-star originals signify?
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Oh.
Wala makukuha nga.
What is the country national flower?
Sampolita.
When did Ferdinand Magellan arrive in the Philippines? When did Ferdinand Magellan arrive in the Philippines? When did Ferdinand Magellan arrive in the Philippines?
March 16, 1521.
March 1600.
March. What are the provinces included in the Mimaropa region? Mimaropa region.
What?
Mindoro, Marindoque, Romblon, Palawan.
Correct.
Yay! Boso.
Where is the summer capital of the country?
Boracay.
Wrong. Where is the summer capital of the country? Where is the summer capital of the country?
Baguio.
Summer?
Baguio.
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 Ang ginasa.
Basa-basa ko dito.
Summer.
How many major languages do the Philippines have?
Major language? 2.
Wrong.
Minor? 1.
Wrong.
Major? 3.
Wrong.
Okay.
8.
8.
Who was the first Prime Minister of the Philippines?
Andres Bonifacio.
Wrong. Who was the first Prime Minister of the Philippines?
So, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye!
Manang, mga ako na dyan, Arnold. If the, pa lang mag-budget.